Here's the Great Conjunction. 2020, 24th of December. Now, the next Great Conjunction won't be in during our summer, during when the Earth is closest to the Sun, right? And Jupiter becomes closest to the Earth here, right? So it's close to when Jupiter is closest to the Earth as well, right? So what we do is if we go, it's every 19.8 years. So what we'll do is we'll go 20 years in advance. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then we'll go to November, a month backwards, to like 2.8 years. And we should have there it is, on the dot. But notice it's happening in November now, and they're on, and we're on the different side of the planet, and our summer's over now. We've had to, get this far, and right. So okay, what we want to do is we want to find out when the Great Conjunction is going to meet up at the same time. So what we'll do is every 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, 1, 3. Jesus Christ, it's going to make a lie of me. 4, 5. There it is. Every 5 times Jupiter goes around. Right, and there it is again. There's another good. Saturn goes around twice, but they meet at the same point. Right, so we've got a conjunction around Mars. We want to go back to, March. We're going to go back to 2000 and, how did we ended up there? That's what happens when you start grabbing Saturn and Jupiter and spinning them around. We're going to go back to 2020. December 24th. There it is again. I hate it when it's not there. Right, there it is again. Okay, so what we're going to show you is that one is in 59 years. I'm going to grab series. It's 11.8, 23.20, yeah, 23.6, 3, 4, 60 years. And then what you notice is every 60 years we have a conjunction, right? 2. But what you'll notice is if I go every 20 years, which is only 2, 1, 2, we have a conjunction here. 1, 2, we have a conjunction here. 1, 2, there's the next meaning, right? So the actual resonance is every time 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, Saturn turns twice, 5 to 2. Okay. Now, my point being is that we'll go back to our last Great Conjunction. My point being is what we're noticing is that every time we go 2 Great Conjunctions, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, is that they meet up on the same point, but what you'll notice, right, is that it's happening in March. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's happening in July. But look, as we get further along to this great conjunction, we're getting close to America's summer, right? This is an important part because we're approaching now the northern aphelion for the American summer. But look, the disadvantage here is that Jupiter's getting closer to the sun each time we do it, right? So if Jupiter gets 10% closer to the sun, that's a lot for us, maybe not for Jupiter, right? At the moment, that's a rainstorm, right? America's going to go through the rainy period, and at about here, bang, wildfires. Wet and fire seasons. I'm trying to explain it, okay? And is that making sense to you? Because you're still pinballing between Saturn. It's actually still creating an equal barycenter, except they just create these Bezier curves into the same point of the sun, and we just get sucked in the middle of it anyway. And now Venus and everything's on the other side of the sun again. And so the most important part is these two. The further these two parts get together, the better it is for us. Until they reach in opposition, and it's sort of like again, when they reach in opposition, they're sort of still acting upon us, but in oppositions. I'm not going to explain. I don't have a picture to draw patterns, and I'm tired. So can you see that?